Once again, GMC is going to release the seats for the PLAB 1 in early 2024. On the Saturday 18th March at 2023, and not only they are going to release the seats for Feb and the May 2024, they are also going to release the seats for the November 2023 and be running further release later in the 2023 for those not eligible to book during the current release. We plan to replace the PLAB blueprints with the MLA content map. We will be informed at least 3 months before this decision. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So this video is particularly for those people who were searching for the PLAB 1 seats and who were searching for the seats of the UKMLA in the early 2024. So today on the website, GMC has updated that they are going to release the seats for the PLAB 1 once again. Very important point. Once again, GMC is going to release the seats for the PLAB 1 in early 2024. GMC has mentioned that they are going to release the seats for the Feb and the May 2024 on the 18th March 2023. This means that on the 18th March of this year, they are going to release the seats for PLAB 1 in 2024 for the Feb and the May. The important condition is that GMC has mentioned, although we are preparing to take for the UKMLA exam, but we are in a process of transition from the PLAB pathway to the UKMLA pathway. They have said in detail that if we are able to complete our work before 3 months of your Feb and the March exam, definitely we will take the MLA exam on the seats of the PLAB 1. So I will clear everything for you people. Let's go to the laptop screen and now I will tell you that what GMC has said and what is the meant of this. But GMC is going to release the seats for the PLAB 1 in 2024 on the 18th March of the 2023. Let's move to the laptop screen. So I have opened the GMC website for you people. I will also give the link of this post in the description of this video. So here you can see our plan for the release of the PLAB 1 places. It is clearly written, I have marked it in the blue color, that on the Saturday 18th March at 2023 at 10 AM, that is according to the UK time, we will open the PLAB 1 places to book for the following dates. Like they are going to release the seats for 15th Feb 2024 and the 23rd May 2024 on the 18th March 2023. Please listen once again that GMC is going to release the seats for the PLAB 1 of Feb and the May 2024 on the 18th March 2023 at 10 AM according to the UK time. The other important thing is that not only they are going to release the seats for Feb and the May 2024, they are also going to release the seats for the November 2023 as well. It is clearly written that we will also open the places to book for the 2nd November 2023 in the locations where we have the capacity to do so. Like GMC is saying that they are going to release the seats for the November 2023 as well, but only on those places where they are saying that capacity is available. So this is very important information. So let's move forward. It is clearly written over here that we appreciate demand of the PLAB 1 remains very high, and they are saying that we will be running further release later in the 2023 for those not eligible to book during the current release. These release may also include the places in the Feb 2024 and the May 2024. So let me make the things clear for you. They are saying that on the 18th March we are going to release the seats for the Feb and the May 2024, and we will also release the seats for the November 2023 as well. They are saying that those candidates who will not be able to book the seats on the 18th March, what they will do, they will release the further seats in later month of the 2023 for the Feb and May 2024. So let's move to the next page. So it is clearly written that during the 2024, the international medical graduates who used to sit for the PLAB test, now they will take the UKMLA exam. But it's saying that we are in the process of the transition. We are working on it because this is not too easy that we can easily, transfer the PLAB toward the UKMLA exam. So they are saying that in early 2024, please keep in mind, as GMC mentioned that they are going to release the seats for the Feb and the May. So this is early 2024. It is saying that in the early 2024, as part of our preps to the transition from PLAB to the MLA, we plan to replace the PLAB blueprints with the MLA content map. If you book PLAB 1 place in 2024, this may mean that your test is based on the MLA content map but you will be informed at least 3 months before this decision. So let me explain this for you people. So GMC is saying that as GMC is going to release the seats for the Feb and the May 2024, but previously they were saying that we will take the UKMLA from the 2024. They are planning to replace the PLAB blueprints with the MLA content map, but they are saying we are working on it, as this is not an easy process. They are saying that if we will be able to complete our work at least 3 months before Feb and the May exam, then definitely we will contact you people, we will inform you people via email or via on their website that we are going to take your exam on the MLA content map instead of the PLAB blueprint. But keep in mind, as you are booking the seat of PLAB 1 now, GMC is saying that they can replace the exam pattern from the PLAB blueprint to the MLA content map. But if GMC has completed the work and they have planned to take the MLA exam, so they will definitely inform 3 months before your exam. So let me give you an example. Like you have booked the exam for the Feb 2024 and GMC has completed their work in the September and October 2023 for the MLA exam. So definitely GMC will inform you in the start of November or in the end of October. That's mean at least 3 months before your exam, GMC will inform you people that we are going to take the MLA test according to the pattern of the MLA. Okay, so this is very important information. Although you are going to book the seats for the PLAB 1 exam in the 2024, but you may have to sit for the ML exam based on these seats. So let's move to the next page. So here GMC is saying that we are going to introduce the MLA exam, that is UKMLA exam. But before the introduction of this exam, if you have already passed the PLAB 1 and the PLAB 2 test, so there will be no worries for you people. Like you have cleared for the PLAB 1 exam, then definitely you will go for the Part 2 UKMLA, that is CPSA exam. Okay, if you have passed both PLAB 1 and the PLAB 2 exam and you are in the process of the GMC registration and no problem in the GMC registration, definitely you will get the registered on the basis of PLAB 1 and the PLAB 2 exam. So this is very important information for those people who were searching for the PLAB 1 seats and who were asking repeatedly that when GMC is going to release the seats for the UKMLA exam. So please stay tuned and follow me on the Instagram, and you can text me over there. You can ask me in the comment box if you have any questions in your mind. Thank you very much for watching the video.